Hi everyone, this is Wafa Lango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. Today we will talk about the third kind of adverb, that is adverbs of time. Let's begin. The definition of adverb of time is an adverb which tells us about the time of an action is called adverb of time. The first example for the adverb of time is 3 o'clock, today, yesterday, tomorrow, and now. These are the adverbs of time. Note, an adverb of time answers the WH word when, and an adverb of time takes and position. So we have already discussed time, place, and manner. Manner as well takes and position. Time as well takes and position. And place as well takes. They all come at the end of. First example, they went home at 3 o'clock. They went home. When did they go home? At 3 o'clock. You call them when? Today. And she speaks English when? Every day. And I cross the road when? Now. So 3 o'clock, today, every day, and now are the adverbs of time, which are adding something in the meaning of verb and telling us the time of an action. So clock is 3 o'clock is adding something in the meaning of verb go, telling us the time of an action, and today is adding something in the meaning of verb call and telling us the time of an action, and every day is adding something in the meaning of verb speak and time of an action. Now is adding something in the meaning of verb cross and time of an action. So hope the adverb of time is clear to you. If you have liked the video, so please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for more videos. See you next time. Goodbye.